how to summarize a YouTube video from ChatGPT. Now this is very simple. The video I'll be summarizing is this iPhone 15 first 15 things to do. Now before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video, and also stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Now let us begin. Now what you want to type is, first let us ask ChatGPT to summarize it. Now, as you can see, I just typed, hey, can you summarize this YouTube video and the video title and by who the video is uploaded by? And ChatGPT searches the site and then finds the video on the YouTube web and then summarizes it. Now, after it has summarized it, let us ask it 5 key takeaways, and then it will summarize it even more. So as you can see, this is a very useful feature of ChatGPT. You can summarize anything using it. If it does not summarize it for you, what you can do is you can even give it the video URL and then it will summarize it for you. So thank you for watching and stay tuned.